Hello children. Previously we discussed about the quadratic equations, different type of methods how to solve that. So now we are going to see some word problems here, so which are using in a daily life, like in geometrically. Here the question is that the hypotenuse of right angled triangle is 2 more than twice of one of the other side, while third side is 13 more than half of the hypotenuse. Find the length of the median. So this is the question. Now we'll discuss in a sentence wise. First, he is asking that right angled triangle. So first draw a right angled triangle. This is right angled triangle. The right angle is here at 90 degrees. So A, B, C is a right angle triangle, and this is called hypotenuse. The side which is opposite to the right angle in a triangle is called hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse, right? This is one of the side and this is one of the other side. These two are sides and this is the hypotenuse. Now we'll go for the problem. The hypotenuse of a right angled triangle is 2 more than twice of one of the other side. So that means let us take the side, one of the side is x. We don't know how much it is, just let us say x. The length of BC is x here. Length of BC is x units, right? Now if the length of BC is x units, then the hypotenuse is 2 more than twice one of the other side. Twice means 2 times. So AC is the hypotenuse. AC is equal to twice the one of the side, that means 2x plus 2 more. More means extra, means that is 2. So 2 more means 2x plus 2. The hypotenuse is 2x plus 2. So 2 common, then 2 take as a common, then you will get x plus 1. So 2 of x plus 1 is a hypotenuse, units. Yes, I am writing u, that is units. Units, right? Now, up to here, over. While third side is 13 more than half of the hypotenuse. Half of the hypotenuse means, what is the hypotenuse here? 2 of x plus 1 is the hypotenuse. This is the side. So, what is the hypotenuse here? 2 of x plus 1. 2 of x plus 1 by 2. This is half. And how much it is more? 13 is more. Means plus 13. This will be cancelled. Then AB. So AB is equal to x plus 1 plus 13. X plus 1 plus 13. So that is equal to x plus 14 units. Okay, is it clear? So first let us assume that BC is x units and the hypotenuse is twice one of the side. Twice means twice to the BC and 2 is more. So that means 2x plus 2. Yeah, 2 of x plus 1 units. And another side, while third side, this is the third side now. So third side is 13 more than half of the hypotenuse. Half of the hypotenuse means, so hypotenuse is 2x plus 2, that means 2 of x plus 1, half by 2. So 2 will be cancelled, you will get x plus 1 and 13 more, that means plus 13. So now we are getting BC, AC and AB values. Now as per the Pythagoras theorem, we know that sum of the squares of two sides is equal to the square of hypotenuse. So that means AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So this we know that, right? So AB square, that means how much we are getting? AB, x plus 14. So x plus 14 whole square plus BC how much we are getting? X square. So is equal to AC is 2 of x plus 1. So 2 of x plus 1 whole square. Now we have to simplify this. A plus B whole square formula. So everybody can know that x square plus 2 into x into 14 plus 14 square plus x square is equal to 2 to the 4 x square, x plus 1 whole square. So x square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square. So into, right? Now simplify this. X square plus x square, 2x square and 2 14 2s are 28x plus 14 square. How much? 14 square 196 is equal to, just you multiply this, 4x square plus 4 2s are 8, 8 1s are 8x plus 1 square means 1 into 4 is 4. Okay, now just here the highest is 4x square, then all these terms bring to that side, just transpose to that side, you will get it as 4x square plus 8x plus 4 minus, all these terms will get minus. So 2x square minus 28x minus 196 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Now simplify 4x square minus 2x square. So you will get 2x square. Now 8 and 28. This is larger one. Then you will get minus 20x. Now plus 4 and minus 4. That is minus 192 is equal to 0. Now here these are all multiples of 2. Then 2 take as a common. Then divided by 2, you will get x square minus 10x minus 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 0. Okay. Now x square minus 10x minus 16, 96 is equal to 0. Now we have to make it factorization. So factorization we have to do x square. So 96, the coefficient of x square is 1 and here 96 we have. So just for understanding purpose, 96 factors, just I am writing here. So 96 factors. So which table we will get it? So it will get 1 and 2 table. So 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 18 also. So next 3 table, 3 3s are 9, 3 3 3 2s are. So 48. The next 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 3 into 13. The next 4 table. So 4 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. So 24 into 4. The next 5 table is not possible. Then 6 table. So yes, 6 table. 6 1s are 6, 6 6 are 36. So 16 and 6 here. So we need here minus 10x. Minus 10x and minus 96. So we can take 6 and 16. 6 and 16. So 16 6 are 96. 6 minus 16 is minus 10. So we are getting the factors here. So x square minus 16x plus 6x minus 96 is equal to 0. So then take x as a common, so you will get x minus 16, then plus 6 take as a common, then x minus 16 is equal to 0. So again x minus 16 is x minus 16 and x plus 6 is equal to 0. Then product is equal to 0, any one of them must be equal to 0. So x minus 16 is equal to 0 or x plus 6 is equal to 0. So when we are taking x is equal to 16 and x is equal to minus 6. So just you have to put these values in this BC, AC and AB, you will get the length of the all the sides you will get it. So let us take case 1. Case 1. X is equal to 16. X is equal to 16. What is the value of BC? BC is 16. BC is 16. And what is AC? AC is 2 into 16 plus 1. That is 17. 17 2 sir. 34. AC is 34. Next, what is AB? So AB is 16 plus 14. So that is equal to 30. So here we are getting BC is 16 and AC is 34 and AB is 30. But what is asking to find out? Median. Is asking to find out median. So what is a median? Here we are getting the length of BC, AC and AB. A, B, C. This is 16, this is 30 and this is 34. So median is nothing but the line segment which is drawn from a vertex to its opposite side. A midpoint of its opposite side is called median. So this is median. This is median. So the line segment which is drawn from a vertex to its midpoint of its opposite side is called median. So the median is always half of the hypotenuse. The median is always half of the hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse here? 34. So therefore median is equal to let us take D here. Median AD is equal to AC by 2. So that is 34 by 2. So that is equal to 17 units. Median is here 17 units. One more case is there. Case 2. X is equal to minus 6. So if you take the length is minus 6. So the length is not the length is always positive. It should not be negative. So length అనేది మనకి negative ఉండదు. It is not negative. So therefore, we should not take this negative value. So only positive value. Case 1 only exists. Case 2 is not exist. Why? Because the length of BC is minus 6. Minus 6 is not possible. Negative value is not there. The distance always be in positive way. So positive, right? So therefore, the median is 17. So like this, we can find out the solution. So one more problem we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.